The AC Infinity Advanced Controller line is designed to automate the environment of your grow space. These can be used to control the UIS line of devices, which all offer adjustable intensity levels. It can also be used to turn on and off outlets to control anything with a plug via grow cycles, schedules, timers, and of course, environmental triggers. Some controllers allow automation programming for more complex control options, and the AI series of controllers offer an AI mode for beginners that can run everything for you with just a few simple clicks, while giving advice throughout the grow, making this a true set-it-and-forget-it option. The AI series of controllers also offer multiple sensor options, so you can customize the controller to fit your exact needs. And the AC Infinity app has a full help center with everything you need to know about how each of the devices work, while also including a full step-by-step grow guide.